In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert bullet points in Excel. If you've ever tried to make a neat list inside a spreadsheet, you've probably noticed there isn't a built-in bullet button like you'd find in a word processor. The good news is, there's a quick and reliable way to add clean, professional-looking bullets directly into your cells using a simple keyboard shortcut. I'll walk you through it, explain exactly what to press, and share a few practical tips so it works smoothly the first time. Start by making sure the cell where you want your bullet is active. Click the cell once so you're ready to type. You can use an empty cell to start a new list, or place your cursor where you want a bullet to appear in a cell that already has text. The key is to be sure the cell is selected and ready for input, so Excel will accept the character we're about to insert. Now for the shortcut that creates the bullet. Press and hold the Alt key on your keyboard, then type 0149 on the numeric keypad and release Alt. You should immediately see a round bullet appear in the cell. This is an Alt code, a Windows shortcut that inserts a specific character, in this case, the standard bullet symbol. A couple of important notes to make this work reliably. You must use the numeric keypad on the right side of a full-size keyboard. The number keys along the top row generally won't trigger Alt codes. Also, make sure numlock is turned on. If numlock is off, the numbers on the keypad won't register correctly. If you're on a compact keyboard or a laptop without a dedicated keypad, look for an embedded numeric keypad on your letter keys, often accessed with a function key. The idea is the same. Hold Alt, type 0149 on the numeric layer, then release Alt. Once the bullet appears, type a space, and then your text to keep things readable. To create more bullets in other cells, just repeat the same Alt code in each cell. If you want multiple bullets in one cell, you can insert a bullet, type your text, and then insert another bullet when needed by using the same shortcut again. You can also copy the bullet character you've already made and paste it wherever you need another one. If the bullet doesn't show up, double-check that you use the numeric keypad and that numlock is on. That's all there is to it. Click the cell, then press Alt plus 0149 to insert a clean bullet, and you're ready to build clear, readable lists right inside Excel.